If you want to get the Samsung Messages app on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, then first of all we need to go to the Store app, this one over here. You can find it, for example, here by default in the home screen, or of course in the app drawer. Once you open it, we can tap on this magnifying glass in the top right corner, and we need to enter Samsung Messages. There we go. And then we have the app, we can tap on it, and we have the install button at the bottom of the screen. There we go, installing. And now we can open it. Of course, we should be able to find it in the app screen as well. So once you open it, you need to grant permissions. So press allow. There we go, now we can press OK and switch from the Google Messages to Samsung Messages over here, press set as default, and now we can fully use Samsung Messages again. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!